Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ramen K Bomb. First, select your favorite instant ramen. You'll also need 1 egg, a slice of American or cheddar cheese, and a dash of your preferred spicy sauce, like gochujang or sriracha. This simple addition transforms ordinary ramen into a creamy, flavorful, and satisfying meal. It's a quick and easy way to elevate your comfort food experience. To begin, boil about 2 cups of water in a small pot. Add your ramen noodles and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are just tender. While the noodles cook, crack your egg into a small bowl and have your cheese slice ready. This preparation ensures a smooth and quick assembly process for your delicious K-bomb. After cooking, drain most of the water, leaving approximately 1/4 cup in the pot. Stir in the ramen seasoning packet and your chosen spicy sauce. Now, quickly add the raw egg and place the cheese slice on top. Cover the pot for about 1 minute, allowing the residual heat to gently cook the egg and melt the cheese into a creamy, luscious texture. Your Ramen K Bomb is now ready to enjoy. Feel free to customize it further with toppings like chopped green onions, a sprinkle of sesame seeds, or even some cooked vegetables. Remember, you can always adjust the amount of spicy sauce to match your personal preference. This dish is perfect for a quick, satisfying meal. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite books on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.